What if your paycheck stopped tomorrow? Would your income survive? Most people depend on one job, one salary, one source, and that's the real risk. In this video, we are sharing 3 business ideas that can replace your 9-to-5 income. Number 1. Service-based freelancing. The fastest way to replace your job income is by selling a skill. Businesses today are constantly looking for help with video editing, social media, ads, writing, and design. If you can solve even one problem, you can get paid. Start simple. Pick one skill and improve it daily. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to be better than beginners. Then reach out to small businesses and offer your service. Many are willing to pay monthly retainers once they trust you. The real power comes when you stop trading time for money. Once you get clients, you can outsource the work and keep the margin. That's how you scale. This business has almost zero startup cost, and income can start within weeks if you stay consistent. Number 2. Small manufacturing business. You don't need a factory to start a manufacturing business. Many successful businesses begin from a small room or even a kitchen. Think about products people use daily: snacks, candles, soaps, customized gifts, or simple packaged items. The key is not complexity. The key is demand. If people already buy it, you can sell it too. Start small, test your product locally, and improve based on feedback. Platforms like Instagram, WhatsApp, and local marketplaces make selling easier than ever. Once demand grows, you can increase production and even supply to shops. This type of business builds something very important: daily cash flow. And with repeat customers, your income becomes more stable over time. Number 3. Digital product business. This is one of the most powerful business models today. You create something once and sell it again and again. No inventory, no shipping, no physical limits. Digital products can be simple: templates, guides, courses, or tools. For example, budgeting templates, business planners, or skill-based mini courses. If you already know something valuable, you can turn it into a product. People pay for clarity and solutions, not just information. The biggest advantage here is profit margin. Once your product is created, every sale is mostly profit, and you can sell globally. This business takes effort up front, but once it starts working, it can generate income even when you are not actively working.